This is where we came hiking today, Sabino Canyon. We went probably a mile, two and a half miles today. And that's a hoedown right there. That's a hoedown. I just want to show you guys, it's just beautiful. Sabino Canyon is just absolutely gorgeous. And this is like this is a little place you kind of like can check in and park and then go hiking for the day. Awesome. There's a Spider-Man. It's Spider-Man. Like, I'm learning about all these different creatures that they're out here. You see their pictures? You can learn all about them if you can read all about them.
You see him?
Bunny?
Yeah.
Squirrel?
No, skunk. That's a skunk.
You definitely don't want to get a skunk mixed up with a squirrel.
No?
No.
No.
Oh, hey.
Birdie?
It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, can you
There you go. That wouldn't be a good night, would it? Oh, what are they teaching over there? Wilderness class?
Yeah, wilderness survival.
Oh, cool. Oh, cool.
How do the ants climb up there?
They're magic.
They're Spider-Man ants.
No, yeah, Mom's right there. She's coming back.
Yay!
Aww.
Yeah, put your monies away.
So we came hiking. Beautiful Sabino Canyon.